Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Google Gemini error 1152 or 1100. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Google Gemini error 1152 or 1100, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first and simple method is you just need to close your Google Gemini window and open a new window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still this is not working, then you can try by disabling your canvas mode. If you have enabled your canvas mode, it will display here like canvas. You just need to cut that canvas mode option from here and check if it is working or not. Still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to check your Google Gemini server from Google Workspace status. Just open a new window, then type here Google Workspace status, then hit enter, then click on the first option. Here you will find all your Google server details. Suppose if something is down, like if Google Gemini server is down, then you will see the error here. You can see all the servers are up to the mark and working fine. If you see anything wrong, then here it will display as I mark from here. If the server is also okay and you are getting the error again and again, then what to do, you have to just log out your Google Gemini account, just sign out from here. After sign outing, click this three dot, click on delete browsing data. You have to select all time and you have to make sure this all these options are check mark, then click on delete data. After that, just close this window and open it again and check. After trying, still you are facing the issue, then you can try by incognito mode. Click on this three dot. Here you can see new incognito mode. You have to just click on this option. You can try your Google Gemini from here. After trying all these options, still it is not working, then you can try the final method. You have to update your Google Chrome browser. Just click on this three dot, click on help, then click on about Google Chrome. You need to check if there is any pending update available for your browser. You can see I have some updates pending, so the update has been started to download. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, you can check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it, guys. So this way you can fix Google Gemini error 1152 or 1100 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.